Hello there. Ce vrei? Da?
Да, вот конечно, дорога, ну, Саша, если ты спросили, ну, не хотели, так само добавить, что-то, пытаться долбить. Тут маму не спуск, dacă trebuie să vă să exigem.
Bem, înseamnă că trece asta.
Вот спокойно преexigem. Așa, da, ce la făceam, quello dell'altra cosa era troppo precisione, troppo esigente. Io dacă nu mă freca atâta 40 de minute pe stradă, probabilmente eu nu mă...
Da, nu era corect, 40 minute.
Da. Și eu spun că este de troppo esigente, dar atunci nu mă duc la muncă.
Hmm. As I was saying, since today, since last time, I figured there's no reason to fight. So I'm not going to fight again PSQL. I'm gonna try to run once more the script, just because if I maybe had to start again the PC, and that would help with my SQL 716. So I'm gonna give it another try with on error ignore. Syntax still not there, so I'm gonna try the brackets. Nothing. So on error won't be seen. Therefore, let's just do a good old insert and see if my information can be inserted correctly. And then afterwards we can simply just we will script it. That's about it. For today, I'm gonna take a quick script, fix it, try to insert everything that I insert correctly. I'm gonna save it to a file so it can be used, and that's about it. I don't want to deal anymore with bullshit docs that doesn't work. So I'm very fed up with this bullshit. Therefore, let's copy our recipes in our workspace. Now cooker, I'm gonna say in our temp. Maybe I should name it something else like utilities, but utilities you can use it in a code. Maybe I should wait like parallel utilities or some stupid name like that. So close and open a new tab. It's gonna be faster than navigating there. Alrighty. First trial, I'm gonna just make the file touch query. Actually, load.sql this time. I'm gonna actually I should probably, it's faster if I take the first 10 rows from row recipes into the load. I can find my stuff. Okay, fair. So I'm not needing the first set of information, but I want the alouette. There it is. My SQL formatter always times out. That's not nice. And then we're going to take the insert into Postgres. It should be insert into table name. into recipes. Then I can paste the column name, but I see that's not compulsory. So I'm guessing I can just pass the correct values. Let's try doing that. And I believe our string should be placed in this manner. I believe we should fix brackets, which should mean this works fine. This is parsed correctly. Same goes with this. Well, actually, I'm not sure. Insert array in Postgres. Yeah. So I have to pass it as a string. Great. This is not one. Now, actually, I can see the problem at this time. It would seem that it does take only the first part. So there was a problem with my there is a problem with my stuff. I mean, this is fixable if I can understand a way to escape everything inside. How does this fare? Actually, let's run as my schema. Or maybe type my password correctly. At 11, yeah, so see, you won't understand my next. Notice identifier will be truncated. We need to say the column names insert post. Yes. What is identifier? Integrated to main ingredient. Now, why would it truncate this? My second, am I parsing everything wrong? Is this the ingredients? Oh wait, those are the tags. I'm actually dumb as fuck. Now what's the deal? Syntax error 59389. Alright, my ordering is not correct. Wonder if this was the problem beforehand. I think I did a bit of an oopsie. Wait a second, they have to still specify the values. Insert into values. Okay, now we're talking. So let's try it again. Values. D is the first one. Again, I don't need to switch. Not this identifier. Ah, shit. I'm going crazy. Insert values inside Postgres table. All right. So I'm guessing this is not liked. Insert an array of strings. I was afraid this is how it's going to go. That means I can choose to put array in the front, or I could just convert this kind of stupid shit. Okay. This row can be converted. Very easy. This row I'm gonna try with the array. With my array tag. And get my brackets back. If the G was not needed. Let's give it a spin with the array. Which can be kind of nice. Actually, I can even do this to the whole file. If it works, it's honestly easier. God damn it, why do I keep... Well, this bastard lied to me. Maybe I kept... Yeah, it's not, it's this bullshit again. The alouette stuff. Same problem. Turns out that's not actually how you escape. Okay, back to plan A. Actually, what am I doing? I can just change everything. The double quote. It's a string. Nah, bruh, in the browser won't respond. Okay. Insert a. No. Oh. I mean, fair's fair. I'm curious if you get mad that the stuff isn't. Yeah, the syntax is off, of course. That can be cleaned. Malformed array literal. Wait a minute, where? I swear this Alouette business is giving me Vietnam flashbacks. Okay then. Now this amount of changes I can handle. I just need to understand how to escape my stuff inside. Because I would be fine to keeping the quotes. So what if my array has quotes inside? Oh, so this should work. Yeah, tomorrow I would say I'm not in the best of shapes. Again, doesn't. Or can I just escape it? I can deal with one Alouette, it's fine. Can I just escape it? See? Just read. Starting to appreciate every day reading everything back to back, which is something I'm absolutely dog shit about. Every single time I would only read this. I would never go through everything because I'm very patient, so I want the stuff quick, get in, get out. And every single time it's slower. Well, they are escaped. I wonder if I take them. I put the steps inside my DB. Yeah. I'm wondering now. Anyway, if that works, I could theoretically still fix. Nah, I can't because I need to add the quad single. I mean, that ain't that hard necessarily. Hey, worth a try. Beforehand, let's take a look at how this, if this runs correctly. I don't think may go run. I'm gonna survive without air. You son of a bitch. Connection refused. I'm guessing my password is wrong. Second thing about my password, I guess I can just ignore it. Or maybe not. Let's just fix my password back. Fastest way. Change user password. Postgres. Sudo -u Postgres PSQL. Alter username with password. Alter user. Dima with password. Yeah. Then this means my problem grant all on user. Postgres. It means I can't access it just in general. I could simply run everything by grant all privileges. On foot. database, all right. Grant all privileges on database food to given. Amazing. Or maybe I'm dumb as fuck and I don't believe the Postgres 17 work goes on the same TCP socket. System action sudo systemctl status Postgres. Check which port does Postgres run on. Wait a second. Connection setting 4532. Then I'm confused. Sto passando di live. Damn it. Yeah, I believe this is the problem. We're just simply using the wrong port. Just make it be a 3. Well, query failed, so I connected, which is nice. I don't know why it failed. What was the query again? Oh, yeah, the offset. It's fair that it's failed. Great, so where's the alouette? Wonderful. Now, I must say, I believe I can try one last time. I mean, I would want to try one last time, but I don't know if there's a string way to convert this. because it has to convert everything that has a RAM now. Just too crazy to go. It's absolutely insane to try and do this with Vim or any other way rather than just convert it to a correct query. Because I can get this, I can fix some part of this code, I can fix everything. But yeah, this is going to be painful. Therefore, step one, let's remove the main. Step one, I will touch script.go. And I'm curious if I can just say the main. Amazing. Now step two, I don't have actually a mod here, which is probably mod init, or I can just go get. Amazing, import yes, great. And I don't care about all of this. So step one, I'm connected, I'm online. Step two would be to read my file and discard the first line. Well, I don't need to discard it, I can just nuke it. So I remove the first line. I pick every single I pick everything else and parse it at every single. Well, I can't parse it at every single comma, which now I believe makes it a little bit harder because I can search for the first comma and split it every single time. I guess I can look for a comma followed by this stuff. Yeah, this part is getting a little bit complicated. Now I believe that file should be like os.open. Go has a lot of ways to open the file, so I'm not sure every time. Pro recipes. Of course, an error. New. Maybe I can scan the file. Actually, I can just take a look at my interpreter. Scan over file loader. Let's see, it feels counterintuitive to loop over the scanner. Scan advance the scanner to the next token. This is not clear, not intuitive as a way to scan the stuff. Let's align critical to scan the text. Now, probably a better idea is to dump the first part, like head of one raw file into small.csv. So that I don't lose crazy amount of time of reading this. I had a feeling that would happen. Now I have the line. let's go with the simplest approach and then add the most complex part, which is honestly just understanding where we're looking at an array comma or where we're looking at a simple comma. So instead of line, I should split it by the comma. Count substring black. Find search. Yeah, I have to go regex in here. Golang split. Golang give me the substring. Golang give me the substring from up until the next comma. The index method. Just the index of the first instance of substring in S. Yeah, that's amazing. So I'm gonna go with line and comma. But to the return, I need say comma. Now perhaps I can just go with a type query tract. Let's start with the name. I'm making a query every time. Or I can just make one query and var query query.name should be equal to s dot comma. Line dot comma. T dot print. This way I should be able to second defer file.cos. Precisely. Wait. Graph parents. Alright, it's an object. So this is the first part. Now for the second part, I'm gonna make so that line starts from comma plus one. So the line now is line comma plus one until the end. And we're going to print it. which is precisely what's happening. This looks nice. And here we go. I can take these names from here. Should remove commas. Give them the types. Int. God damn it. My app is crazy. This is an int. Just submitted should be a string. Tags an array of strings. Attrition should be an array of ints. Real. Sure, why not? Apps. If I remember correctly, is an array of strings. This one is a int. This is a simple string. Array of strings and it. I have to repeat this bullshit operation every single time, which is annoying. I can function it. Func parse. I'm gonna take the pointer to the line. A string, right? Colon pass. Great. Export it to over here. I'm returning an interface, I guess. Return interface golem. Technically, everything is the string, so I can return this just fine. I should put in a TMP. Return TMP. That's a nice line. It's getting so much confusing. So confusing. Cannot slice by so it's a syntax problem rather than a mental problem. Passing by reference. Well, now that I think about it, I'm actually overcomplicating everything with those things. And I should return the line dot comma, and I should return the line comma +1. And to take a look at what's happening. So query that name. Yeah, query that name is the first one. I simply get parse line. Also line. Great. Which means this runs amazing. ID is not gonna work because it won't return an int. It should probably just copy. I don't have many types, so I can just copy it into an int. Parse number. From string, from string to int. String convey parse int. That's it. String convert as parse int. Poi. I say the names are so fun. Num I wish to drop it because I don't find it particularly a problem. If r equals nil log.fatto the number this works. Next one shall be minutes contributor ID. The easy ones. Wait, what? Minutes. Contributor ID. Amazing. Now there's the first array, which I believe won't work. But the cool thing is, again, I get to write the function for its single uses of tags. When we're talking about tags, we can find but we are at the double quote before the we're at the quote before the bracket, and we're just gonna go and find the closing quote. Easy as that. Now once we find that, we can just collect every single element and throw it inside the array. Or rather, this should be an array. Yeah, actually, this is not a string. This is simply an array. This is simply this is simply a string, correct? But inside this string, pass the string array, give back the string. But we have to do work on the string. So first, I'm not gonna land on first underscore. I'm gonna land on the first on the closed bracket and add it. So now I'm on the comma theoretically. Absolutely correct. And it's time to fix this internal. Let's fix this line. Actually, it should be line, but let's fix this array. Like so, the first element, we should substitute the first occurrence of our let's come down. We have to substitute the quotes. First one, the last quote, substitute the brackets. These strings should have recommended replace. Yeah. So replace is gonna take the string, the old, the new. This takes my array in. Then we'll take what I have to substitute. bracket, and finally the brace. Of course, take out the array. Let's get rid of the bracket. First number copy a string with a non-overlap instance of old replacement by new. Now this is happening twice. Also, the first one should become a single quote, and everything else should become double quote. So missing, we're going to replace all single quotes into double quotes. Okay, double quotes. Finally, I should replace the first one. How did that work exactly? My guess, my stupid guess would be, I know that it's the first line, so array should be equal to escaped squarely single. So let's escape this. Plus line just everything from one forward. And the same thing from line dot length. Hold on a second. Array dot length. And the length. Right. Has the built-in length. Minus 2. Looking good. Let's run this boy. Looking terrible. Oh, actually, I did not return the array. Classic oopsie. Hold on, what am I printing at this point? Comma. Printing the query. Should print the array. Just go like print ln array. Passing the array and one empty. So my array, why does it take this? Can I just parse the stupid stuff? Oh. It's bullshit. Can I just read every time override it? What's going on here? This clearly worked, which is not helping my case. Works over here. Looking great. Wait, there's a line here. Well, touch on that today. I guess it's already a string, so I don't quite don't need it actually to become more a string. This two lines, I'm gonna keep it as a precaution, but I believe that Postgres will understand that this is a string, so I don't need to tell him explicitly, hey, this is a string. So that wasn't so bad. After the tags, we have submitted tags. Actually, let's take a look at submitted. I believe submitted should have actually it's set correctly. Pleasant surprise. Now, the number of steps should be an int. Don't know what I was actually doing here. Nutrition, simply an array of. I probably can simply just parse with parse array. Delete it. And it would work. What's this? Nutrition, correctly. This should be understandable for my DB. Keep it going, not nutrition, number of steps easy. Number, actually, let's go, we have to go. So description is a string, simple parse. Ingredients, I'm parsing parse array. A number of ingredients. What's this? Now, number of ingredients should give me problems because there's no now hold up. What did I miss? Nutrition steps. Nutrition steps. What steps? Oh, correct. Steps parse array. Steps are looking good. Wait, so I'm missing some stuff over here. Let's do again the head. Then the heads. There it is. Now, as I was saying, we can go order. Meaning, the descriptions. No, my slice is out of range. Why? 16th. Oh, right. I'm reading line by line. It's not a single line. This sucks. This absolutely sucks. I expect this to break. Yep. Because it won't know what the fuck is going on. But I believe I can just strings a toy string converts on bro a toy everything that's left, or at the very least like line of everything after one and brutally drop this error, or maybe not. So what's the other line? Yet 7 plus the bullshit, so we drop the first one up until the len of line -1. So give the center. Okay, I was being preoccupied for nothing. Now, my preoccupation as of again is that not every line is a string, so we have also to keep account of that. One neat trick, I believe, should be to read lines until we can compose one decent line, and then to feed this decent line to a function that will just simply do this. That would be a neat stuff to do tomorrow. I'm not gonna open it. So let's. I can go ahead and we print it. Yeah. So like this should be my first 4 lines. I could read lines until the last one, until I understand that my last element is an int, and I should be able to identify what a query in this case. Because this is the first line, and this one is a single entry, while the line under not necessarily. Does ask don't work. Use Ctrl C. Now the annoying thing is that taking a look over here, most of the times very much looks like the big bulk of the time there are correct lines, but sometimes there's just some bullshit amount of lines for nothing. Well, today I did my part. Tomorrow we'll take a look how to go.